Today, I'm turning a small wooden vase and finishing it with a brass shotgun shell base. First, I separate the plastic hull from the brass base of the shotgun shell. Next, I use a punch to knock out the primer from the brass base. With that done, the decorative part of the vase is ready. For the body of the vase, I'm using a cylindrical plumwood blank that I prepared earlier. I drill a hole just wider than the shell's primer and slightly shorter than the vase's final height. I start by turning the top section of the vase, where the brass shell base will later be fitted. At this stage, I start forming the outer shape of the vase. When the outer shape is done, I sand it to make the surface as smooth as possible. I establish the parting cut while keeping the vase attached, and then sand the freshly shaped section. Now I apply natural beeswax to the vase and buff it in with a cloth to bring out a nice shine. At this point, I remove the vase from the base and use an angle grinder to smooth the leftover wood on the bottom. The final step is to attach the brass shell base to the top of the vase with gel superglue. Here's the finished vase. A small decorative piece, perfect on its own, or with a simple flower. If you'd like to see more projects like this, you're welcome to subscribe.